Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GeoData after your daily limit. Many Geo plans offer a specific amount of high-speed data every day. Once you've used up that daily allowance, your internet speed will drop significantly, usually to 64 kilobits per second. This can make browsing and streaming quite slow. The only official way to restore your fast internet connection is by adding a data booster pack. The most straightforward method to continue using high-speed data is by purchasing a data booster pack. First, open the MyGeo application on your mobile device. Once inside the app, look for the Recharge section, which is usually prominent. From there, you'll find an option specifically for data add-ons or GeoData packs. You can then browse and select a pack that best fits your data requirements. Geo provides a range of data add-on options to suit different usage patterns. You can find packs starting from as little as 1 gigabyte, going up to much larger allowances. These packs come with varying validity periods, some lasting until your current plan expires, while others have their own specific duration. Carefully review the available options, considering both the data amount and the cost, to pick the best value for your needs. After selecting your preferred data pack, confirm your choice and complete the payment process through the MyGeo app. The activation of your new data add-on is typically instant once the payment is successful. You'll notice your internet speed returning to normal high-speed access right away. Remember, you can always check your remaining data balance for both your main plan and any add-ons directly within the MyGeo application.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.